video. Today I've got another unboxing, and in here should be a I'd say about an 1990 numatic ct375. Wanted one of these for a while. Ideally I did want an earlier one, but you know, this one came up, it was cheap. Bought it off for like another vacuum refurbisher. But anyway, yeah, let's get into it. There's the packaging in here, and here's the machine. It is in quite good nick, I think, for what I have seen. Alright, so there's the bucket. It's got no internal buckets in that. Yeah, this is in really nice condition actually. Let's just put all the packaging back in the box. I believe he said it does work. It fires up. So yeah, here's the machine. Original plug on this as well. Don't really often see these. Cambridge cleaning services, so it hasn't come far. Cambridge is probably, you know, only an hour away from me anyway. So yeah, it's in pretty good nick actually. We've got the cord hook on there. Underneath, motor's rusty, but it is what it is. But yeah, that is in fairly good nick actually. So I'm just going to turn the vacuum motor on quick, see what we're working with. And yeah, so here we go. So bearings are a little dry, but I've got a motor I can just chuck into this if need be. But yeah, I believe this machine's probably from 1990 or something. So yeah, it's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.